check this out today on my YouTube channel. We're going over the Spotify method. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Today on my channel, I want to bring y'all an update to the Spotify method, and I want to go over a Spotify royalty payment I just received from Level Music. Now, as of October 15th, if you ordered from my website, your order has been submitted and you will see results within 2 to 5 days. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email at info@yonworld.org. That's the best way to contact me. Now, something I want to address, a question I've been getting a lot from a lot of different independent artists. And this question is, can you split the streams between an album? And yes, you can. I have this service listed on the website. It starts at 10,000 streams, and I have one also for 100,000 streams. So I will add one for 50,000. I know some people been asking for me to add one at 50,000, and I will add that one. But understand, if you want to promote an entire album and you don't select an even split service, it will go to one song. When I submit your link, your order, I cannot cancel it. I have terms of service, disclaimers, all on my website explaining this. So please take time out and read my website before ordering, because once the order is placed, I submit it immediately. And like I said, you will see results within 2 to 5 days. If y'all have any questions, you can always email me. My email is open 24/7. I do my best to get back to you as fast as possible. I want to hop into the Spotify royalty payment I just received. Y'all know today is October 15th, so we just got paid out from Level Music. And if we hop into Level Music, you will see we got sales for July, right? We hop into July, we got $665 from July, and we got a little bit of money from June too, right? We still got an asterisk by June. Y'all know monthly amounts with an asterisk by them are not final and can take up to 120 days to be received from the stores, right? So we just received the payment from July and a little bit from June. Now y'all know, I've been telling y'all, Level Music is one of the best platforms to use. I use a couple different platforms, a couple other platforms I use. I made videos about all of those, but y'all can see I've been receiving payments from Level Music since 2019. So every month is different for me. Every month is not consistent, right? For an example, like for July, it took about 180,000 streams for me to get that much money. So if we hop into the Level wallet, hold on, let me log back in. When we hop in the Level wallet, you will see my available funds right now, $787 that I can cash out, from Level. And that's a combination of the July sales and some of the June. So whenever you see an asterisk by the sale amount, if you're using Level, right? If you use Level and you see an asterisk by the sale amount, it's not final. So you can receive extra money, on the payout. So I'm gonna pay this out. And the payment is complete. So it takes 1 to 3 days to transfer, and after that it'll be in my account. So if y'all had any questions about the Spotify method, feel free to leave a comment on this video. Feel free to send me an email if you had any questions about your order. It's your boy Yon World. I'm out. Peace.